हेलो, आवाज आ रही है क्या? हेलो 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 hello guys, this is Eman Gaikwad in front of you and guys in this video we are creating something awesome. Okay, तो वो awesome चीज क्या होने वाली है देखना है आपको, तो चलो देखते हैं. Guys, so in this video we are going to create a mouse follower. So let's see how the mouse follower looks. Okay, so you can see on screen this is portfolio, and if I will refresh it again, then you can see this is a mouse follower. Okay, and how it's looking, you can see it's going behind the buttons, and if we will scroll down, then this is the scrolling animation, and you can see it's looking awesome guys, it's looking awesome. So how can we create like this mouse follower? So let's see. Okay, देख लिया. So guys, we are going to create this cursor, this mouse follower, this mouse effect in this video. Okay, how to create it, we will learn it. Before that, my one request is there for you guys. I want only one comment from you. Okay, learn how to create a cursor and just comment me how was this and what you want to learn ahead from me, because we want to make family of programmers. Okay, so till now only 145 members are there in our family. We want to increase our family, and we will also increase the learning facts, and we will also make much projects. Okay, so let's start the learning and let's go. Guys, we have created 3 files: index.html, style.css and script.js. Okay, and guys, before creating it, I want to just inform you that if you want to make this cursor, then you should be good in DOM concepts of JavaScript. After that, you should be good in GSAP concepts. Okay, what is GSAP? GSAP is Green Socks Animation Platform. It's a JavaScript library. Okay, if you are good in that both things, then you can see this video. And if you are not good in that things, then if you want GSAP tutorial, then you can comment me. I will make a GSAP tutorial for you. Also, if you want to learn DOM, then we will also make videos on DOM concepts of JavaScript. We will practice the DOM concepts every day. But for that, you have to comment for me. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's code now. So first of all, in index.html we will apply the boilerplate code. So for that, HTML5, and this is boilerplate code. We will not give title, we will simply write here code. Okay, so inside of body we will create page 1. So for that, page 1, this will be due having class page 1, and inside that we will make a just heading. Okay, so inside heading we will write here it's programmer. Okay, and yes, so we will save it, and in style.css, first of all we will write here CSS for all of the website. So for that we use universal selector, that is star. Okay, what is star? Star is a universal selector, and inside that we will write here margin 0. After that we will give here padding 0, and yes, this is done. Okay, so now what we have created, we have just created here simple page 1, which is nothing but a div. So we will use here dot, because we have given class that page 1. Okay, so for access that class we will use dot, and dot page 1, and inside that we will write height. We should give height 100 VH. Okay, 100 VH, and we can give width 100%. Okay, also we can give background color, that will be black. Okay, so let's see that these changes on our website. So we will simply go on cursor folder, and after that we will click on index.html, and it will take some time for reloading, and it should be black. Okay, it should be black. Let's reload it. Okay guys, its programmer is showing, but the background color is not showing here. Okay, not a problem. How it will get, guys, we didn't connect that CSS file to HTML. Okay, so here to connect the CSS file, what we write here simply link tag. Okay, so we will link our CSS style.css. Okay, let's save it and let's go and refresh. you can see the background color has become black. Okay, but it should be 100%. Okay, but we have not given the height and width to our body. Okay, we have not given it, so that's why it's not taking the full width. Okay, so if we will write here vh again and we will save it, then you can see here the whole page has become black. Okay, okay, nice. So now what we will do, we will again create same thing, that is page 2. Okay, we will copy it and simply we will paste it here. Here will be page 2. Okay, and same thing will be there, control S, and we will not write here heading. Okay, let's save it, and in style.css we will give same styling to page 2. Okay, okay, here only background color will be aqua. Okay, and if we will save it, then you can see here the changes. We have not given here page 2, we have to give here page 2. Okay, and now let's save and refresh. Okay, so 2 pages has created successfully, that is black and aqua. Okay, so as we have given the background color of page 1 is black, so we have to give the h1 in a white color. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will simply write here h1, and the styling will be that color is white. Okay, you can see here its programmer is looking something like that. Okay, and here we will simply add display properties also, display flex, align item, center, justify content, center. Okay, and after doing this you can see that its programmer will be at center. Okay, it's just basic CSS, it's not that much. Okay, so now it's time to create cursor. Okay, so for cursor what we will do, in index.html after body tag we will create a div having class cursor. Okay, so this is div having class cursor, and we will apply simply styling to it, and for that we will simply make here cursor, and we will give here styling that height will be 20px. Okay, width will be 20px. Okay, fine. And the background color, so background color will be antique white. Okay, you can read it, I am not good that much in reading. Okay, so this is the color for cursor, and we should see is there cursor or no. So as we reload it, yes, you can see here at a left corner, if we will zoom it, then you can see this is the cursor we have made here. Okay, so okay, so is this cursor will look like this? No, it will not look like this. We will give here border radius for what, for just make circle of it. Okay, so border radius will be 50%. If you will apply this, then you can see here your cursor will be in circular form. Okay, so and its positions will be fixed. Okay, so position fixed, and just refresh it and refresh it. Okay, you can see here the cursor is looking something like that. Okay, so this is our circle, and okay, so it's not moving now. We want a mouse follower, so this circle should move as our cursor is moving. Okay, okay, so for that what we want to do, we have to use GSAP and JavaScript. So for that, just let's go in a script.js. Here first of all we will link this script.js to our HTML, because we don't want to repeat that mistake again. So here simply use a script tag, and inside that we will use source src and here we will write script.js. We can simply save it, and what we have created here, the cursor class. Okay, so for that we will write here where cursor, and for that document dot query selector, and in that we will simply access that cursor. Okay, so now first of all we have to connect our GSAP. Okay, so for GSAP what we will do, we will simply go on browser, and here we will search for GSAP. Okay, so let me connect my internet. Okay, so here we will search for GSAP CDN. Okay, and as you are searching this, you will be redirected to this, and you have to create on first link, and after that you will redirect it to this page. Okay, just wait some time. Okay, this page will be there, and just scroll down and copy the first URL. Okay, if you will copy this, and after copied it, just go on HTML, and here paste this URL above the script file. Okay, and just save it, and for to check our GSAP has applied or not, we will just use GSAP. Okay, so simply what we want to make mouse follower. So for that what we will do, we will first of all take document. Okay, document dot add event listener. Okay, so what will be the event will be mouse move. Okay, so for that we will write here mouse move, and yeah, we will make here function, and inside that we will pass details, and after that we will simply make the body, and inside that we will write our actual code. So for that we will use GSAP dot not. The VS code is very much intelligent, so it write by itself. Okay, so we will write again here GSAP and dot 2. Okay, and inside that what we will do, we will write cursor, because we want to apply that GSAP to cursor. Okay, so we have taken here, we have accessed the cursor inside this variable cursor, and we have written that variable inside this, and here we are applying the GSAP for that. And what will be the GSAP? We will give the x. What will be x? X will be dates.x, and yeah, we will also apply y. What will be y? Y will be dates.y, and we will simply save it, and let's check where is our project. This is project. If we will refresh it, and yes, you can see here this is following our mouse. Okay, so guys, do you understand that how to make this mouse follower? What we did, we have simply make here variable cursor, which is just accessing that cursor class. Okay, and after that we have add event listener to document. What is document? Document is our window page. Okay, on which our website is getting to see us. That is our window page, that is document, and we have add event listener to document, and we have just given the mouse move event listener. Okay, mouse move event listener, and inside that we are giving function, we are passing details, and inside that we have applied the GSAP to the cursor. Okay, and what is this? The x, what will be x of that cursor? X of that cursor will be details.x, and ay of that cursor will be details.y. So this is a simply funda to create mouse follower. So guys, how was this little project of making mouse follower? So guys, I want your support, because I will create this content for you, but for that I want your support, that I want only a little one comment from you. Okay, how was this mouse follower? Please comment in comment box, and I will give you a heart. And you can also suggest the projects, what should we make next, After that, do you want to practice JavaScript? I am also going to plan the JavaScript practice sessions. If you want that, please comment me in comment box. And okay, we will meet in next video with nice project. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.